guys, this is Angie and you're welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I achieved this stir-fried pasta. The first thing I'm going to be doing is to set out all my ingredients. I have my carrots and green pea already chopped. I have my marinated beef. I have my onions, sardine, chopped carrot again, and green bell pepper. I have my dark soy sauce, my pepper mixture, salt, curry, Maggi, and any other spice you want to use. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing is to set a hot boiling water and pour a little oil inside and parboil my pasta. Then after that, I'll sieve the water and set it aside. Then I'll proceed to frying my beef. I fried my beef. I make sure I fried it until I achieved a brown look. It depends on how you want your beef to look. So after frying the beef, I set it aside and proceeded to fry my pepper mixture. This is the pepper mixture. I'm going to fry the pepper mixture for about 12 minutes in order to dry out some of the water that came with the blending. You get? So this is what my pepper mixture looks like after frying for about 12 minutes. This is what it looks like. The water has dried. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing is to be frying my veggies, mixing it with the pepper mixture. That's my carrots and my green pea. I chopped carrots into two places because I still like my carrot crunchy at the end of the day. So I'm going to be adding the second part of the carrot towards the end of the cooking. Do you get? So here I'm going to be mixing everything together. The onion, I added my onion, my curry powder, my Maggi, salt. I'm not going to be using so much spice for this. Then I'm also going to mix everything together. While you're frying, you have to taste it to see if some of the things you put, they are in the right proportion. So for this food now, I prepared 2 packs of pasta. So if you're using 1 pack of pasta, you should mind the quantity of ingredients you use so that you don't overput. I don't know how to put it. So this is the second carrot that I chopped towards the end of frying. Now I'm going to add it. I added it so that the carrots can remain crunchy at the end of the day. When I tasted, I found out that the salt was not enough, so I added more salt because remember, I'm making 2 packs of pasta. So if you're not making 2 packs, I don't see the reason why you should be adding too much ingredients. Then I'm going to be adding my dark soy sauce. You can use light soy sauce. You can also use the dark one. So for this recipe, I'm using just the dark soy sauce. The quantity I added is proportional to the packs of pasta I'm making. Don't go and over add those so that next thing your food will not be tasting soy sauce. I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah. So I added my dark soy sauce and I mixed it together with the pepper mixture. Then I'm going to be adding my pasta next, my drained pasta. So this is me adding my pasta. After adding it, I still had to, because the pasta came out, it was too much. So I still had to add soy sauce again because the one down is not going to be enough because the pasta was too much. I noticed it was too much at the end of it, so I added some more soy sauce. Then after adding that, I mixed everything together. I made sure I turned everything from the bottom pot. I turned everything together. I mixed it together. Then after mixing it together, you feel like your food is already ready, so you can start adding. I added my fried beef. I also added, like, if you have hot dog set aside, you can fry the hot dog separately. After frying the beef, you can still add the hot dog. Anything you have already fried, you can add it at the end of the pasta. Then my green bell pepper that I set aside, I also put it at the end, towards the end, like when you've already finished everything, so it can remain fresh. So this is what I have at the end of the day. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. Thank you. Bye.